Now, the Bahia Buccaneers have marched their way into the Anderson Sasses Norris Trophy and a $300,000 cash prize after beating Links United by 7 wickets in their T20 final in Discovery Bay St. Ann on Monday. Batting first, the Buccaneers were led by an inspired 129 not out by Rena Ross on their way to 179 for 3. Shane Anderson took 1 for 19. In reply, Links were bundled out for just 136, Garfield Gale taking 3 for 28.
The lads have been playing together for a while. I'm new to the team, so it's especially a sweet victory for me because this is my first time winning this competition.
Now, President of the St. Ann Cricket Association, Keith Walford, was happy with the overall tournament.
We rotated Lodge and Content Gardens as a venue, so every week one could look forward to a 2020 game at 3 venues across the parish. And overall, the turnout was good, it was well supported, and we do think that it was a successful competition.